Check. All right, welcome to Stock Market Mindset. Today we're going to be going over some levels. These levels, it's not financial advice. Responsible for your own account. Your losses, your profits, you take profits. Only you can press the buy button. Have some risk management. These are only my thoughts. Predictions. Take it with a grain of salt. Once again, it's not financial advice. Let's get into it. All right, so right here, looking at the spot chart, we're on the daily. As you can see, we got this little sideways cut. Here. Looking at it on SPY, you can see little inverse head and shoulders. Kind of made this little cup and handle right here. A lot of volume in this area. Around right there, big wick. Wick down right there at 4.8. Demand area right in here. To a 4 hour. Man, so we got room up to this area. Bible chart. About 15. Another area up here for 20. And we're getting there this week. Here, obviously, take a while to get there, but the level looking at a level of like brick over like 408.50 level I have calls. Obviously take that up to 410, so on from those levels I was talking about. I think we can hit 410, 20 tomorrow. If the market decides to push. And for puts, see, I wouldn't enter puts safely until about under 403. The reason being, you got this pre-market high, yesterday's high, daily low, and a pre-market low last week. Get up under there, and we get up under VWAP. Everything fall down to 400. Bible chart. You can see some demand in this area. Definitely right down to 403. Break this level here, falling down. This is the demand. Demand area right there. You can see high volume, low. Volume gaps all the way down here. Obviously, if we break yesterday's low, which was last week's low on Friday, we got an order block here. The demand. If we break below that, I probably wouldn't enter puts again. Miss that entry. Probably wouldn't enter puts again until about here, which is 399. Obviously, take that on down to about 396. We got an order block here, so I would be careful. I'll probably be taking some off a little early. See how it reacts when it gets down here. As you can see, The volume profile is letting us know it's chopping around right here. Probably get some chop around. Boom, fall on through. It's a big order block right there. So you want to get past all of this. If we get past all of this, going down. Yeah, I mean, I personally will wait for the break over the daily high right here on SPY. Wait for the retest. See if it holds. And we should be pushing right on up about that 410. This area. Get in this area, we break that, we hold. Probably be pushing our way up to 414. So if you're gonna play 0 days or weeklies, or give yourself some time. But you know how that goes with SPY, it does what it wants to do. QQ. Put them off you first. Through this a couple weeks ago. It's a monthly chart. You see we starting to go outside a month. Pushing up. See, we got this double bottom. Don't want to work today. Got this double bottom. Pushing on up. As you can see, these high volume loops right here. Going to the daily. Looking at, obviously, we made this. It's cut. Round and bottom. As you can see here on the daily, we're past where most of the high volume is. I mean, it's really like clear skies, literally, all the way up to like 307. Right, we break this trend line. Really, I'm not taking QQQ calls. So we break over this daily and hold, which is about 398.05, which I probably be safely. I probably wouldn't be entering until about safely wouldn't enter about 299 a week safely. And it's been a 4-hour chart. Next thing I got our alert set here. Break that trend line. And then go to 391. 391. 307. Probably going to get past this area here. It's 304. That'll probably be another level I will be taking some off. Once we break over 301, next level will be 303 and 307. Obviously, we got some demand here in the order block 313. We probably could push our way up to this zone of 321, but that's not probably this week, but maybe next week if the market decides to push, tech decides to push. Some big earnings this week. I think we got like Apple and a few others. Can't remember off the top of my brain, but do your due diligence and find out. As you can see, all the volume is sitting down here. I mean, basically, we got no real resistance. A nice push up. So if you're playing 0-day options or options, you get some pretty good gains. What was I looking at this week? Man, Lucid went crazy. I got in late. I played $14 calls, around like $12. Honestly, looking at this, I still got a feeling we can make another push back up to this point of control, which is like $17, $18. My reason for saying that is kind of held this level right here. If you look at, we got some volume lows right here, but we kind of held this level into close on Friday, which you can see right here. Kind of just held this level. So we didn't drop all the way back down. Obviously, it's a risk under VWAP. Order block right here. Fair value gaps. You probably could play. This is risky. Probably could play fair value gap here. We see if it dips into there, and then maybe push back up, push back over this point of control, and we probably get that 17 area. It's still possible. It's more like a lotto, but I would keep an eye on it just because it's got a lot of interest from the day before. All right, snap. Weird. All right. Snap is actually looking crazy, but we kind of holding this level. We got right here in this zone. You got some support here. Up this level here. All of them here. Kind of holding this zone. Support there. It's on the monthly. What's up later? Showing into the weekly. You see, got this little cup and handle, round and bottom, engulfing candle right here. Obviously, we're breaking over these resistance lows. So we got a gap all the way up to 13, almost 14 on the weekly. Look at the daily. You see the daily. Got the cup, boom, rocked up with that daily candle. If we break over, right now, 94. Personally, I wouldn't take entry until we break over 11. If we get over 1107, my level, I would be taking calls up to almost about $12. I'll show you on a smaller time frame. Yeah, for me, I would have to break this level. I need to break 1107 before I actually hop in. I will ride this all the way up to about almost $12. I'm making this little pendant right here on 1 hour. But basically, the whole market isn't like a cup and handle. Go up there, drop down, something like an inverse head and shoulders. Those are my levels. I would take some profit off here at 11, break 11. You probably get you a good 10-20%. All right, 11.23. Break over this level right here. And we got room up to here. Like maybe, $12. But, snap, get some volume. We should be able to make that happen. Let's have I've been looking at this week. Costs. Costs had a nice little push. I got this. Flag forming, I guess. See. Thing about me, I just draw trend lines and see what I get. Guys, I just draw them. See what comes out of it. Pretty much crazy. The weekly. My monthly actually pushing we can push to our outside month. Order block here, pushed us up. Volume move over the point of control. Injecting here, we go over 509.27. We got a nice push up to about 523, 525. 4-hour chart. Obviously, we got some supply up here. Couldn't break that daily high of 408.82. Personally, probably wouldn't enter the puts till somewhere down in here. Maybe play it down to yesterday's low. It's 498. Then if we break under yesterday's low, definitely could fall down here to 491. But my level to probably take puts on this is about aggressive entry would be 503. My safe entry would probably be 501. Really, you still got, I'll probably be taking profit at these key levels. Get up out of there. Obviously, if we can get over 509, it's clear skies. 15 shot. As you can see, we had a big sell-off, push the pre-market lows. So yeah, if you missed that first entry, I'll probably take entry here. What do we have? What else looks good this week? Just go through this basket of stocks all the time. We got an outside month pushing up. Honestly, this weekend, we got this little inverse head and shoulders. As you can see, I'll show you. There you have it. Inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. It's possible. Daily looks like. Alright, obviously we got this cup. Boom, went out. Outside on the daily. Personally, so we give us some run. Same thing. Me personally, my entry will be a break over about 50.80. Push all the way up to 54. 4-hour chart, so longer entry. And obviously, clear skies up to 59. This is all room. Look, no volume lobes. Support is down here. As you can see, no real resistance. And we push through those lobes. And it's basically clear skies. Look at it on 1-hour chart. Base found some support here. As you can see those lobes right there. I'm holding this level right here. If we break through these levels, next time I'm gonna take entry. Let me see what's 1-hour entry. If we break over the daily, my safe entry probably would be like 520, 50-20. And then for a push on up like 580 for a scalp. For a scalp. And let me see. And we literally like, there we go. Take to the left. Boom. Yep. After I break over 595, we really got room up to 550, 53.85. We actually got a gap here that ain't been filled. So I mean, we really could ride all the way up to about $60. Obviously, maybe not this week, but you know, you probably could get some 2 weeks out or a month out, ride it out. Obviously, shop follows SPY, so you kind of want to be careful on how SPY is doing. But I mean, last week it kind of detached itself from SPY, and when SPY was dropping, it kind of did its own thing. Still pushed up over into like 45 and then 48. So I mean, this one is worth a watch, obviously. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, we've just been uptrending, held this level. Pushed up, held this level. So it was Friday. So Overwatch. What else have I had my eyes on? Amazon. Just chart is crazy. There's an outside month. Big order blocks in here though. But obviously. Broadening formation, broke out of that on the daily, right at that level. They said if we break that level, we could actually push our way up to like, fill this gap up to like 111. 4-hour chart. You can see it broke that broadening formation with, I mean, on the 4-hour, if we break down to 101, I wouldn't take puts. And we could ride this down to 99. Break through there, I'll probably be taking majority of my profits off there, and then maybe hold some runners down here to 98. If we do break that, we're going down to pre-market lows, which is 96. But to be safe, I wouldn't be taking entry until about 101 for puts. On calls, I want to break this. I want to break this level, this daily high. Just like probably not taking calls, honestly. If we don't break this pre-market, we got pre-market high. I'm waiting. I wouldn't probably take calls to like 103.90 something, and then just see if we push, anywhere in this. I mean, this is a big, gap. So I mean, we could push straight up to there. The 1-hour chart. That's on like a higher time frame. The 1-hour chart. Take a puts here. On 104, taking them down. Like I said, I need to break daily highs at like 103. 57, and then maybe take some profit off at 101. But I mean, after basically 101, I mean after 103, 104, and then obviously we got room to push our way up to 111. What else am I looking at? We're going to Apple just to see what it's doing. Having levels on Apple. Apple is just a little too messy for me right now. But hopefully. Basically in this. Basically in a bull flag. Possibly go outside month. Get back up there into that. Apple in the 150 is might rock it. It might take the market. As you can see, got some high volume lows here. We in a gap in. Obviously, we rejected some supply up there. Break the daily. Definitely going up here to about 149, 150. Break 150 and get through this order block that we got here. As you can see, these wicks, so we got some selling. And yeah, we probably can get back up here to like 153. Big old order. We got 2 order blocks here, so I would be careful. There's gonna be some selling on Apple. You see, we had this ascending wedge, broke back out of that, broke back up, break there, 150, 150, 51. Obviously, like 153 is a level. if we break over 150, pretty good. We probably could over 150 to 153, 153 to 155, 155 to 157. We be breaking that trend line. We break down and retest, and probably can get our way back up here to 164 to 170. But I mean, that's pretty big. It's gonna take a while. Who knows what we get? So basically, those are my levels. IWM. Rising wedge on 15 million monthly. It's kind of like a bear flag, but it's on the monthly. Obviously, we got this double bottom, almost triple bottom. So what apply here? We break. Basically, if we break like 191, we definitely can make a push up here like 196. Even though we in this order block, just supply here. So daily's breaking over. Like, straight down a full hour. For me, I mean, I probably wouldn't even take puts. It's not really worth it. They move, but they don't move that great. I mean, you got VWAP here on 1 hour. You got this big old water block. Support lobes. For me personally, like I said, over there, break that trend line, and then we got some room to around over 191, maybe 195, 196, 196. Bring all the way up to 199, obviously 201. So that is my analysis for the week. It's almost a month, but the spot's looking pretty good. I mean, we'll see how the market opens, see how futures open in about like an hour maybe. Or actually, futures open in about 5 minutes. And we will see what we get. We'll see what we get, see how futures open. I mean, it'll still be early. I don't like really pay much attention to futures till like about after 12, 3 in the morning, something like that. Other than that, that is about it. Like I said, this ain't financial advice. Protect your account. Take profit when you're green. Stay green. Use stop losses. Mark down your levels, look at charts, zoom out. Personally, part of my strategy is using the volume profile to let me know how volume is. I don't care if it's buying or selling volume. I use trend lines and patterns and things like that. Let me know what's going on. You can see like this cup handle. I'm right it out of there. We kind of went to like an inverse head and shoulder. So, I mean, I'm seeing a lot of bullish setups, but at the same time, the market can do what it wants. So I always had, I'm never going into market with a bias. I play the charts. I don't play my P&L. Try not to look at my P&L. If anything, I look at percentages. And I play the charts, and once it breaks my levels, I either buy or I sell or I stop out. That's what I do. I trust the charts and I trust what I see, not my P&L. All right, Slick the Trader. Thanks for watching.